Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Harley-Davidson TRIKE Ultra Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Harley-Davidson TRIKE Ultra Classic with 45,206 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with Cobra slip-on mufflers, a Vance and Hines exhaust, passenger footrest covers, a luggage rack, shift linkage, windshield trim, axle caps, an aftermarket seat, performance machine wheels, rear calipers, grips, LED headlights, LED passing lamps, an open stage 1 intake, and rear fender luggage rails. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the TRIKE puts 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the TRIKE has a 180 to 220 mile range. It has a 27.5 inch seat height and a 1,212 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 3/30 seconds and both rear tires at 8/30 seconds. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on both rear fenders. This TRIKE has an owner's manual and 1 key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This TRIKE has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.